My dear friends, on this graceful morning, it is my privilege and it gives me an immense pleasure to share some concepts on yoga. I start with chanting Omkara, followed by salutation to Patanjali Maharshi. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपार्करोक्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिराणतोऽस्मि पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिराणतोऽस्मि Thyroid. The thyroid is a butterfly-shaped gland which sits below in front of the throat, brownish red in color. The thyroid is rich with blood vessels. The thyroid glands secretes collectively the thyroid hormones. The main thyroid hormone is thyroxine, and symbolically it is denoted by T4. The other thyroid hormone is T3. When the thyroid gland is in normal size, we cannot feel at all. Friends, there are two disorders in thyroid. One, hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism is a condition in which the thyroid gland does not produce enough of thyroid hormones. Hypothyroidism causes fatigue, cold sensitivity, constipation, dry skin, and unexplained weight loss. The second disorder in thyroid is hyperthyroidism. Hyper means more. Hyperthyroidism is a condition in which thyroid gland produces more T4 or T3 or T4 and T3 hormones. Hyperthyroidism causes colitis. Colitis means frequent bowel movements. Friends, chanting Omkara creates vibrations in the throat. If we chant Omkara repeatedly, if we practice Udgita Pranayama, hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism will be cured. Friends, let us see to the anatomy of human brain. Human brain has three parts. One is cerebrum, the second is cerebellum, the third is brain stem. Cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain and is composed of left hemisphere and right hemisphere. Second, cerebellum. Cerebellum is the second brain and is located below the cerebrum. Brain stem. Brain stem acts as a relay center that connects cerebrum and cerebellum to the spinal cord. The cerebrum is divided into left hemisphere and right hemisphere. These two lobes are connected by a thin sheet of membrane called corpus callosum. Corpus callosum transfers messages from left brain to right brain, and it transfers messages from right hemisphere to left hemisphere. Friends, left hemisphere controls the right part of the body. Right hemisphere controls the left part of the body. Friends, 1 billion is 100 crores. 1 trillion is 1 lakh crores. Human brain has billions of neurons and it has trillions of brain cells. Friends, today we discuss Prana Vidya. Prana Vidya is also called as Swasa Vidya, or it is also called as Pranayama. The Vedas and Upanishads says Pranayamaha Param Tapaha. Pranayama is ultimate tapas. Tapas means profound and delightful knowledge. Friends, nose is the gateway of energy. We have a beautiful nose with two nostrils. This is the left nostril, this is the right nostril. Friends, today we shall analyze one question. The question is, from which nostril we are breathing? Now, this is an enigmatic question. Majority of us, we believe that we are breathing by both the nostrils. If the flow of air is more in the left nostril compared to the right nostril, we say that we are breathing by the left nostril. If the flow of air is more on the right nostril compared to the left nostril, we say that we are breathing by the right nostril. If the flow of air is equal in both the nostrils, we say that we are breathing by both the nostrils. Friends, if I take the index finger, now this index finger represents Vayu, air. Now, to detect whether we are breathing from the left nostril or right nostril or by both the nostril, you bring this index finger close to the nostrils, like this. Then you can detect precisely whether you are breathing from the left nostril or you are breathing from the right nostril or you are breathing by both the nostrils. If we breathe by the left nostril, well, from the root of the spinal cord, 3 nadis emerges. 3 nadis emerges from the spinal cord. Now, to the left, this is called as Ida Nadi. To the right, we call this as Pingala Nadi. Now, the middle Nadi is called as Sushumna Nadi. If we breathe from the left nostril, it is called as Ida Swara. If we are breathing from the right nostril, it is called as Pingala Swara. If we are breathing from the left, it is called as Chandraswara. To the right, it is called as Suryaswara. To the left, it is called as Gangaswara. To the right, it is called as Yamuna Swara. To the left, it is called as Shivaswara. To the right, it is called as Shaktiswara. If we are breathing by both the nostrils, now the central, this is Sushumna Nadi, the highway for Kundalini energy. Now this is the highway Sushumna Nadi. This is called as Sushumna Nadi. If you are breathing by both the nostrils, we are breathing by Sushumna Nadi. Sushumna Nadi is also called as Brahmarandra Swara, or it is also called as Saraswati Swara. So, either we are breathing by the left nostril or we are breathing by the right nostril. Sometimes in Brahma Muhurta, we will be breathing by both the nostrils. Friends, Swara Yoga. Swara Yoga is the science of breathing. Swara Yoga says the breath alternates. What does it mean? It means if we are breathing by the left nostril, friends, it takes 1 hour 30 minutes to shift to the right nostril. If we are breathing by the right nostril, Swara Yoga says that it takes 1 hour 30 minutes to shift to the left nostril. Now this polarity, even the modern medical science has observed. Friends, if we are breathing by the left nostril, the right hemisphere of the brain will be active. If we are breathing by the right nostril, the left hemisphere of the brain will be active. If we are breathing by both the nostrils, the entire brain with billions of neurons and trillions of cells, the entire brain will be active. That is the beauty of breathing by the left nostril, breathing by the right nostril, and breathing by both the nostrils. In the next episode, friends, we shall see, without touching the nose, how to change the polarity of breathing. That leads to wonderful concepts. That leads to wonderful concepts. Before concluding, I chant Omkara followed by a Shanti mantra. ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Friends, eventually, before concluding, I request everybody to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscription button on the right hand side and by hitting the red bell icon on the right hand side. Friends, thank you very much to watching my video. Thank you very much, my friends.